Shawa Technocrafts is a leading provider of repairing and testing services for industrial electronic equipment, including ACS800 Drive 450 kW. As a trusted partner of many companies in the manufacturing and process industries, Shawa Technocrafts has established a reputation for providing high-quality services that are reliable, efficient, and cost-effective. Our team of experts has extensive experience in the repair and testing of ACS 800 Drive 450 kW. We use the latest diagnostic tools and techniques to identify faults and carry out repairs quickly and efficiently. We also conduct thorough testing to ensure that the drive is functioning correctly and that it meets the manufacturer's specifications. At Shawa Technocrafts, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We stand behind our work and offer a warranty on all our repairs and testing services, in addition to repairing and testing ACS 800 Drive 450.